In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PayPal password if you forgot it. It can feel stressful if you suddenly can't remember your login, but PayPal makes the process simple as long as you can verify your identity. Whether you normally use the PayPal app on your phone or the website on your computer, you'll need to go through a web browser to reset your password. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. On the home page, click Login, and when the login screen appears, click on Forgot Password. You'll then be asked to enter the email address linked to your PayPal account. After typing that in, click Next. Now, PayPal will ask you to confirm your identity. Depending on what you've set up, you might see options like receiving a text message, getting an email, answering your security questions, or confirming your credit or debit card details. Choose the method that works best for you, and then click Next. For example, if you choose text, you'll get a code on your phone. Enter that code in the box provided and continue. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be taken to the Create a New Password screen. Here, type in your new password, confirm it by entering it again, and then click Save. You'll also see an option to log out of PayPal on all devices, which is a good idea if you think someone else might have had access to your account. After that, you'll be redirected back to the login page, and now you can sign in with your new password. That's it. You've successfully reset your PayPal password. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees, moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below